Little Caliph.
Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn about fruits. Let's watch the storytelling about learn to be independent. Mickey was a baby monkey. One day, Mickey was crying to its mother because it was so hungry. Go and find yourself a banana, said its mother. You have to be independent. I wouldn't always be here to get your bananas. Mickey started to search for a banana. On his way, Mickey found an apple. This is an apple, not a banana, said Mickey. Mickey kept on walking until it found a pear. Mickey was hungry, but Mickey didn't eat the pear. Mickey kept on looking for bananas in different places. Then Mickey found a mango. Ripe mangoes are nice to eat, said Mickey. But I am looking for a banana, said Mickey again. Mickey did not give up looking for the banana. After walking a long distance, Mickey found a bunch of grapes. Mickey kept on walking until it found a mangosteen. Bananas are more tastier than mangosteen, said Mickey. On his way, Mickey found an orange. Mickey kicked the orange like a talented football player. Is it difficult to live an independent life? Said Mickey while finding some strawberry. I must keep on looking for a banana. Mickey kept on walking. Then Mickey saw two cashew nuts. One is small and the other is big, thought Mickey amusingly. Mickey is still looking for a banana. This time, Mickey found a papaya. The birds love to eat ripe papayas, but I'm not a bird, said Mickey. Suddenly, Mickey smelled something. Mickey covered its nostrils. No wonder it has a strong smell. Is it the smell of durian? Mickey kept on walking. Now, Mickey found a fruit with thorns on the outside. This is a pineapple, not a banana, said Mickey. Mickey felt his stomach making some sound. Mickey found a big watermelon. Watermelon, did you see the banana? Mickey knew that the watermelon could not talk. When Mickey found some rambutans, Mickey did not ask anything. He learned that fruits do not talk or hear anything. Mickey kept on walking. Now Mickey found a coconut. Wow, this coconut is too heavy, said Mickey. Is it better for me to find a banana? Awfully tired, Mickey remembered his mother's word. To be independent, you must be patient. So Mickey did not give up. Now Mickey found a star fruit. Then Mickey found a guava. Why isn't the banana beside the guava? Said Mickey, as he was tired of searching for bananas. Now Mickey found a custard apple. It must surely be sweet, said Mickey, who was still looking for a banana. I will grab it after I find the banana. Then Mickey found a bunch of water chestnut. Mickey plucked one and threw it away. The color of unripe banana is same as pomelo, said Mickey, who was looking for a green fruit. But there are no bananas here. So, this must be pomelo. All this while, Mother had been finding bananas for me, said Mickey when it found a sour sop. We only know how difficult is it to find food when we have to do it by ourselves, said Mickey when he found a pomegranate. Okay, this time Mickey found a lemon. Lemon is a cute fruit, said Mickey, but Mickey was not looking for a lemon. After walking a long distance, Mickey finally found a banana. Yahoo! I success to be independent. So student, moral of the value, we must try to live an independent life in this world. So we must not give up or lose hope. Okay student, that's all. Thank you.